Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at Euro USD for the next day, which is 90, right? We want to know where our price will be moving for the next day. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So when you take a look at this movement on this Euro USD, right? Let's you would want to ask yourself before we actually place this trade is that what is the trend for this movement? We clearly can see that there's only one movement we are making on this Euro USD, which is an uptrend move. You can see an higher highs and an higher lows. You can easily spot it, right? We are seeing that price is going up. Instead of that, it's actually giving us a bullish move. Secondly, is that we have included this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. We all know that once this price is trading above our moving average, then that is a bullish move, then it is a buy, right? So now let's see this movement, right? Let's quickly see what this weekly aspect time frame is saying. We can also see that this time frame, weekly time frame, is actually a bullish move. So when you take a look at this weekly time frame, you see that this is an impulse move, and here comes as a correction, then an impulse move here. Here comes as a correction. When you take a look at this movement, you see that there is an impulse move, right? And we still want to see a further bullish move before you kind of get like a correction. If you have to zoom it in properly, you see it on the daily time frame, a correction has played out, right? It's even playing out, right? It is not yet over, right? We can see this correction that is playing out. There you see it here on the daily time frame. So that's still to tell you that anytime soon we will continue our bullish move once the correction is over. So there are two levels where our price can give us a reversal move. There are two levels where our price will very much likely to get to and give us and continue the bullish move. First of all, one is this level, which is at a level of 23.6 on Fibonacci retracement. Now, this is the Fibonacci retracement we would use to know where our pullback will end. So when you take a look at this movement, right, this is where we start on our Fibonacci. You will see that our price is giving us a pullback, and we're very much likely to have that pullback to a level of 23.6. It actually makes sense for us to actually have a pullback level to here, right? The reason is that once price has reacted to this level, and we all know that once price has reacted to a level previously, especially multiple times, there's every likelihood that price will actually get to that level and also react to that level. Now take a look at this level here. We saw that price came here and react to it. This is why you are seeing a huge candlestick wick sticking out here, right? You can see that price has once come to this level. It has reacted there previously. You also see it at this level again. You can see another huge candlestick wick sticking out here, right? Then when price actually went up, you see that price went up, right? Price gave us a pullback to test the same level, which is a level of 23.6 on our Fibonacci retracement, right? You see that at least price have reacted there three times, right? And if you know, you can easily spot that you can easily spot it that price is actually giving us a pullback on our retracement, and it is very much likely to actually drop to level 23.6 before it actually goes bullish. This is one of the reasons why I want to actually watch out for this level, which is a level of 23.6 on Fibonacci. And the second level where price will very much likely to give us that bullish move is at this level where it is currently at. This is the level where it is currently at. Like I do say, once price has reacted to level previously multiple times, we are very much likely to have a reaction at that level. We saw that price once came to this level before price dropped, right? We also saw price reacted to this level. So we are very much likely to get to this level, right? Before we continue our bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why is it that we have this price drops to this level here, as you can see. Let's see it here. This level here is it that our price drops. This is it here. So is it that our Euro USD actually dropped to this level, right? Before we have a pullback, before we continue our bullish move, or price will actually come to this level and we would continue our bullish move. So we need to watch out for these two levels. Any price drops to, we are going to react to. So I'm going to tell you what you should watch out for before you actually go ahead to place this trade. But I think personally that we would go bullish the next day. I believe the next day we would see a bullish move. One of the reasons that possibly this price has once given us a pullback around this level here, and this price is at this level, we are very much likely to have a reaction at this level, thereby our bullish move will continue. And secondly, we can see that we are very close to this our moving average, 10 period moving average. So I believe once price actually can tap this moving average, we should see a reaction at that 10 period moving average, thereby our price will give us a bullish move on euro usd. So euro usd for the next day, we should be expecting a bullish move. Now, if you take a look at this USD index, right, I've done analysis on this our USD index, so you can check the channel and watch it. So you will see that on this USD index or DXY, we're actually having a bearish move, right? So you can see a lower lows and a lower highs. Now let's start this trend. So let's analyze it. We can see that we will start it from here, which is a lower lows, and here is a lower highs. Then we see a new lows, right, and here comes a lower highs on the USD index. Now this is a new lows that broke this previous lows, right, and here is a lower highs. Now that this lower highs has been made, what do we expect next on USD index? Of course, we expect a further bearish move on this USD index. So as we would be having this drop or this movement downward on our DXY or USD index, then we should expect a bullish move on euro to USD. So this is one of the reasons why the next day we're very much likely to see a bullish move. We should open and close bullish. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see this 4-hour time frame, right? You can see that price has once reacted in. You see this level that I've highlighted. You see that price has once rejected at this level on the 4-hour time frame. You can also see that price has once rejected, right? This is kind of like previous resistance level and support level down here on the 4-hour time frame. You see that once price was ranging within this level, you can see it here. Price came to this resistance level, then rejected down to this our support level, right? Then came to our resistance level and was close to our support level before it went up. We all know that if price is ranging and price tends to break out of the ranging market move, we tend to see a pullback before we continue that bullish move. So you see that price was ranging here, then price broke out of our resistance level. Of course, we all expect a pullback to be made. So this is the pullback that has been made, and now it has tapped our previous resistance level. Now that it has tapped our previous resistance level, we should all be expecting a further bullish move. So this is another reason why I've given you that we should be expecting a bullish move the next day on this euro USD. So watch out for a bullish move. Let's at least be able to grab about 70 to 100 pips for the next day, which is on the 19th of December. So euro USD for the next day, expect a bullish move.